Have you ever tried adding your own melody to your sample, but it came out like this? Well, this is probably because you don't know any music theory, and I get it, I've been there. 2 years ago, I knew absolutely nothing about making music. So today, I will show you the easiest way possible to get the key and root notes of any sample. So first up, finding the key. So we have two approaches we can take, and the first one is trying to figure it out by your ear. So this is going to be hard at the beginning, but believe me, the more you do it, the more it will actually improve your beat making abilities. Just add in an instrument. I'd recommend some bass like I have here, and start playing that to your sample in higher octaves, because this will actually make it easier for you to find the correct sounds. So here's the sample I got. Okay, and now once we have that, then find a note that sounds the best to you and try it out in the minor and major scale, and do that until you find a key that matches your notes, and compare that to what our second method will give you, which is just simply use a website like BPM Finder. Just drag in your sample and it will give you back your key, and that's actually it. Here's your key. So now we'll use the trick to find our root notes. What we will do is follow the baseline of the sample, just EQ out everything above 500 Hz. So we will just go to our sample, add an EQ filter, and we're just gonna take out everything that's above 500 Hz. So now we can hear the bass more clearly. And last step is just use your ears to find the correct notes. Again, easy way to do this is to just use the higher octaves on the bass instrument and try to match the sounds, and just move the sounds up and down to find the correct notes. And don't be scared to take your time, because this will benefit you later on when trying to add your own chords or melodies. Okay, so here are my root notes. And after figuring out my root notes, I just added some melodies and drums, and here's the beat I made. If you're serious about learning how to make crazy sample beats, come join Sample Academy. You'll get my personal help, tons of samples and drum kits, full learning resources, and an awesome sampling community. Click the first link in the description and I'll see you inside.